Hello again, Earthlings. This is it. My new bike. The Yamaha FZ150 V2. Also known as Yamaha Vixion outside of my country. I bought it for cheap. The last owner got into an accident with this bike. And the front left fork is bent. Here is the bended fork. Bend to front. The meter cover is cracked, and it needs to be changed. No front disc brake plate and brake pad. The last owner says that the front rim is destroyed in the accident, so he swapped the front rim to Yamaha LC135. FZ150 front disc brake plate doesn't fit the LC135 rim. Side fairing crack. Electric starter not functioning. Fuel tank dented here and there. The last owner changed to aftermarket adjustable monoshock. Standard exhaust with a little bit of black spray paint. Old seat cover with holes everywhere. Body part scratch from the accident, I guess. More dent a tank. But the good part is the engine is very smooth. It sounds better on real life. Everything working on the meter panel except for neutral light. No exhaust leak. And yeah, that's all. Let's get started. Here is some of the item I bought for the bike. New battery because the battery is flat and old. New front fork. Front disc brake plate. Rear brake shoe. Starter switch. Brake pad. And bearing for the rims. For today, we are going to change the front fork, the battery, and rear brake shoe. Did a new wiring from the starter relay to the switch. And install the new brake disc plate and brake pad for the caliper.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. Yeah. You ain't gonna make it. You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat him in the
they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?
Yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, I swear to God that I could drop you, bro. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe. Stay home.